Thanks. Yeah. Hey, thanks for clicking on me. Sven here. Just wanted to touch base with you before we get into this next episode, if it even turns into an episode. I know sometimes I like to drag my personal life into this channel and do fun things and try to make them involve PEVs, but let's see, like last year when we went to North Carolina for the family reunion, my family reunion, we drug our PEVs with us, our e-bikes, and we had a good time, and it made the channel. But this year we went to Cleveland to my wife's family reunion. And while we were in Cleveland, I had to go to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. It's just being a musician, and it's just one of those Mecca places that I had to search out and seek. So we went there, and we had a heck of a time. But unfortunately, my blonde hair, I had my camera, my 360. I used two cameras, my iPhone and an Insta360. My Insta360 was set to time lapse. Felix, show him what that would look like if I let this run. I wasted a lot of footage I can't use. I've got some footage on my phone, and it's really too cool to waste. I just want to share it with you guys. We had a heck of a time. If you're in Cleveland, go to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. All right, hey, thanks for clicking on me. I appreciate you. Hopefully this turns into something and you dig it, all right? I appreciate what you do. Know it, all right? Thanks for clicking on us. How cool, huh? How cool. Hey, we know those guys. We miss you, Neil. All right, we're heading up to the next floor. It's a Pink Floyd floor. So we're gonna take our drugs now. All right, so we're on the 4th floor. It's Pink Floyd's The Wall, Foster Theater, and the Beat Lab. So this is a puppet from the performance of Pink Floyd The Wall. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is amazing. All right, if you're near my age, you grew up watching this show. It's where all the cool live performances were on TV. All right, this is Elvis's Harley. La King, League of Our Much, thank you. Peanut butter banana sandwich. And Billy Idol's Harley.
It's a Rebel Yell.
The Rebel Yell, baby. More. He was in a bad motorcycle wreck. Obviously, this isn't the Viking wreck, but pretty cool. Hey, Sven's World. Part of the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame exhibit now, baby. All right, level 6. It's the Paul McCartney exhibit.
See where it leads you, like breadcrumbs. It's just memories, maybe regrets, or even the future. You sometimes fictionalize the characters, but honestly, in a way, it's all.
Alright, so this is kind of special to me. There's Michael Anthony's bass from Van Halen. Very cool. Very, very cool. Man, there's so much stuff here. So much stuff here. If you're in Cleveland, you've got to come here. It's the Mecca for rock and roll. Stones paraphernalia. Yeah, this is the part I've been looking forward to seeing. The Jimi Hendrix wing. Jimmy. Live from New York, it's Saturday night. All right, so coming at you live from the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Sven Couture here. Really appreciate you stopping and clicking on me today, all right? This place is legitimate as hell. When you're in Cleveland, stop at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, all right? Hopefully you dig this type of content and we'll make you like and subscribe, all right? We appreciate you. Thanks a lot. All in all, it was just a brick in the wall.
You're